Did you know eating cottage cheese before bed could transform your sleep, boost your metabolism, and even protect your heart? Most people have no idea about these powerful effects. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 9 science-backed benefits of cottage cheese at night. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more expert nutrition tips. Research shows cottage cheese contains compounds that help you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. It activates thermogenic processes, helping your body burn calories while you rest. Packed with casein protein, it fuels muscle repair while you sleep. The nutrients in cottage cheese support heart function and circulation. Its protein keeps you fuller for longer, helping to cut midnight snacking. Rich in calcium, it strengthens bones and prevents long-term weakness. The probiotics in certain cottage cheeses support a healthier gut. Low in calories but high in protein, it fits perfectly into weight management. Packed with essential vitamins, it helps keep your immune system strong. For South Africans, try adding cottage cheese to your evening pap, stew, or as a bedtime snack. Just remember, moderation is key. Disclaimer: always consult your healthcare provider before making dietary changes. Have you tried cottage cheese at night? Share your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition advice.